This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus versus the OnePlus 7T. Now the S20 Plus, this one has the Snapdragon 865 processor, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10, and One UI 2.1. OnePlus 7T has the Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs of RAM, also on Android 10, and its latest version of Oxygen OS. Now let me know in the comments below which phone you think looks better. The cosmic gray on the S20 Plus, as you can see here, or the frosted silver on the OnePlus 7T. I'm digging both. It's a coin flip for me. Go ahead, turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus versus OnePlus 7T speed test. Should be a fun one. Both phones overall are nice and snappy. Ooh, okay, looks like the S20 is done, or not, almost done, actually. Oh, that was close. That was a close one on boot up. I'm gonna defer to my audience. Let me know in the comments below which phone you think won boot up. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over. These are the apps I'm gonna use for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and then go like that. No recent items on the OnePlus 7T. No recently used apps on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. All apps, caches, browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. S20. Messages. Ooh, that was a close one. I think it was the S20. Let me know in the comments below. The camera. Go ahead and do it like this. Draw. All right, up next we do have, what do I got next? Clock. Run the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome. Whoops, missed touch. All right, try that one again. Round 2, go. We'll do a search for, I know, Folk SC37. If you guys are into cars, or if you're a car enthusiast, you'll know what that is. Actually, I'm just gonna press this one, go. And then we'll see, let's click on this one, this image. We'll pinch to zoom. Nice and fast, whoa. Buttery smooth on the 7T, 90 Hz display on this. And then the S20 here, 120 Hz display, nice. We'll click on this one and we'll do the same thing. Do the same thing here. Nice and smooth on both phones. Browsing should be no issue. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Very close. Click on this. Click on this. We'll click install, and let's actually change my mind. Ooh, I think that was a little bit of a lag here on the S20. Interesting. That may have been a Wi-Fi thing, so Amazon. Very close, a little bit faster on the S20. We'll click on this. We'll click on this one, and we'll just leave it there. eBay. Nice and butter. We'll click on this bracelet. We'll buy it now. Nah, we'll leave it there instead. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. A little bit faster on the S20. We'll go ahead and tap to begin. A little bit faster on the S20 again. Temple Run 2. Loading on the S20 first. And we'll give the win to the S20. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. S20 is ahead. I don't think the 7T is gonna catch up. Nope. And we'll give the win to the S20 Plus on this game. Whoops. Asphalt 9. Gameloft. And I think the S20 is out in front, I think. And we'll give the win to to the Galaxy S20. PUBG Mobile. Tencent Games. Alright, what will happen here? Hearing noise from the S20 first, loading on the S20, and we'll give the win to the S20 on this game. Get rid of that. And oh, I'm telling you, Android 10 gestures, man. Photoshop Express. We'll go ahead and click on this. And then let's see. I'm gonna choose summer this time around. I'm gonna jack this up all the way. Click on this one. Gonna save to gallery, see which one will save this faster. And let's go. A little bit faster, a tiny bit faster on the S20. Twitter. Call that one a draw. The gram. Ooh, really fast on the 7T. Wow. WhatsApp. S20 on that. And Snapchat. Very close. Let's take a look at the app switching on both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now on a side note though, I mean with the fast refresh rate displays on these phones, 90 Hz, 120 Hz respectively, I mean going through this, buttery smooth. I love it, man. I love it. All right, anyway, enough of that. We'll run through these apps again. See what happens. Any lags, any stutters. Now the Photoshop Express, I've noticed that this does not stay in RAM for some reason. Doesn't matter if it's the S20 or the 7T, whatever phone, right? Except for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So what will happen right now? My guess is that this will reload. Let's find out. Reloaded the app. Wonder why that is. I don't know. Android 10 thing? Interesting, okay. The PUBG is good to go. Asphalt 9. Very nice. Whoops. Come on, let's go. Angry Birds 2. And, all right. A little bit of a lag on the 7T. Wasn't a full reload. Did not reload the game. It was just a little bit of a stutter. Temple Run, good to go. A little bit of a tiny stutter there, but not too bad on the 7T. Mario Time on both. And then eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. Play Store. We're gonna go ahead and install this, and let's not go. Calculator. Good to go. Chrome. Same place. Clock. Still running in the background. The camera. Gonna pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. Go. Whoops. Okay, I thought I clicked only one. Ha! Pretty much identical, and the speed there. Relaunching the camera. And then we do have the messages. Boom. Phone app. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on Team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 7T or OnePlus 7T Pro, OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro? Are you a fan of OnePlus? Are you a fan of Oxygen OS and its customizability? Bang for a buck, this phone gives you a lot. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or S20 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone thus far. Thanks for watching. Peace out.